Let's go. Oh, that just giving it a little bit of, oh! What was that noise? What was that? The day has finally come. It's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day, man. Staying lift up. It's probably one of the coolest like tuning in the boxes that I've gotten. Got an M Engineering sticker. This looks pretty useless. I don't know what that's for. This is like old school USB. M Engineering dongle. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up. And then plug this in truly. Oh. So I think you are supposed to read info. I'm supposed to take all of this and put in an email, send it to them, and then they send me back, I guess, a file. Bro, I just walked to the back of the car and noticed the exhaust tips are mad freaking crooked, yo. Like, this one is just crazy loose. I kind of think this is how it's supposed to be because this is tough. It's in there. It's kind of sticking out a bit. Bro, I don't know what happened to that one. Take two. All right, guys, so it's finally here. Right outside to the garage. Flash the Porsche on 93 because, I mean, that's pretty much what I have in the tank right now, and I'm hyped. Bruh, I just get no luck with this freaking exhaust thing. I want to cut them off and run like two big giant Turbo-S looking tune tips eventually. I think I'm gonna do things the right way and pop the hood and put the battery tender on too. Also, FYI, I'm not sure if you guys even pay attention or care, but I got a new battery in this thing, brand spanking new. My stop start wasn't working. And that was ever since I bought the car, which I didn't care about because I hate stop start anyway. I'm just gonna do a charge. Let me just do a maintain. It is, because there's an M Tuner F and an M Tuner C. Changing maps from an installed state, please use C. Okay, got you. So F is if it's a fresh flash, C is if I'm changing maps. Reading is fundamental. That damn battery tender is loud. This thing does look old school. It's not like boot mode at all. And this is my first shot trying M Tuner on the side of Porsche. And I was gonna go Cobb. I don't like the little Cobb thing. I'd much rather pay these guys at M Tuner $2 grand plus get a laptop, which cost me like 200, and call it a day. System fault. Remember when I first started tuning these cars and that stuff scared me, all these system faults and all this nonsense. It says, turn key off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. I think that's about 10. Okay. Flashing successful. All right, let's see what we got here. No check engine light, because, I mean, there shouldn't be one. Yo, oh my God, let me stop, let me calm down. You really gonna go out in front of me right now? I'm in a Tune 911, boy. Let me turn the AC on, I'll just turn the heat on. Yeah, I had to get some jitters out. I'm gonna stop until I see somebody in the rear view, and then I'll go. It's rolling back. Oh, the hold isn't on. I feel like that changed. The car never rolled back before. Let's see. Oh, holy You. Oh, it's not warm. Oh, crap. I apologize, baby. You weren't all warmed up. Check engine light is finally gone and it ain't coming back.
I hope so.
Okay. We just got one more light to take care of on there and we'll be all right. Bruh, if you guys know me, you know I love roads like this. Like, I used to drive an hour and change just to drive on roads like this in the M4. That's probably why I had so many freaking miles on the thing. Dreams just literally came true. I now live, like I commute on roads like this basically. Dang, look at that thing though. I ain't quite there yet though. God, that thing's the size of a city block. I give myself about like, I would say 5 to 6 years, maybe a little bit more if I keep buying these freaking cars. But I'm gonna have something nice one day like that. I don't want anything too huge. You know, I just want something with a lot of space so I could do a lot of stuff in it. Oh man, I always wanted a freaking garage to work on my car, freaking get a garage, and now I want like a 5-car garage, 2 stories with a lift. Soon though, soon. I'm working soon. It's fun. The thing about this car is it's already so alive that just giving it a little bit of, oh! What was that noise? What was that noise? Is that supposed to happen like that? Something was ready to take off. I heard like a crazy air noise. You gotta be kidding me. Just my freaking luck. Shit. Oh my God. Yo, this is terrible. What the heck? I mean, what sucks about the car is that this is pretty much unfortunately, this is how much of the engine bay I have to work with. I think this comes off first. I tried to take apart as much as I could in there, but I still can't see. Finally managed to pick up the Porsche. Damn, man, it looks so good. But we're bringing it back to the crib now. We got to take it apart and figure out what exactly went wrong. What happened? Why is it not making boost? There you go, come straight back. Easy, 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 easy. Come on, come back a little bit. Don't be scared. You done went down. Hold on. All right, now come back up a little bit. All right, keep going. You got it. All right, stop. Just like BMW, they have a whole bunch of freaking, you know, plenums, filters, and XYZ, etc., etc. And to be 100% honest with you, for what I'm gonna do, I think stock is best. Same thing like I did in the G82. All the charge pipes and things like that, for me specifically, was just not necessary. Even though I plan on upgrading the turbos, you know, a lot of the piping that I've looked at for these cars are really big. Like the tile one is huge, but then it just downsizes and go into a normal size like intake or something like this. So I'm not sure if that has any better benefit than just the OEM ones, which run the same size pipe all the way through. I could be wrong. I don't know. However, at the price points that these things are coming out, it just doesn't make any sense to me. If they make, and if they don't, then whenever they do make, and I will figure it out, something where I can have the same size diameter all the way, like all the plumbing, count me in. I'm gonna do it because I think that will really wake this car up a lot. But until then, I'm not gonna waste my money on little parts that'll go smaller to bigger, and that's just my opinion. That was a lot. I couldn't show you guys what we were doing because I didn't even know what we were doing. But now I know, so I'm gonna do another side. I gotta fix this rattle. Totally forgot about that. Gotta get the screws for it. So I have every freaking thing off that could possibly leak. So it is another day, and I'm pretty pissed. I decided to take matters into my own hand and diagnose the problem because, well, let's be honest here. While the new turbocharged Porsches are probably the most tuner-friendly Porsches you're ever going to find, there's still not a lot of information compared to like BMW. So I didn't want to waste any time, and I kind of wanted to be the guy to figure it out. And that costs me literally almost hours and hours of freaking time that I wasted. In this box, I have some what we call diverter valves, recirculating valves. You Porsche guys call it bypass valves. You can stick your finger in there and push it a little bit. There's a lot of resistance. But one thing that I noticed is when you put your finger on the top part, the little hole, it's even harder to push. For reference, this is a stock one. Now, this has been in the car for all the years and 100-something thousand miles. You push it, a lot looser, you can hear a lot more. However, now the kicker, I put my finger on it to block it. 100%, it just goes straight freaking through. All I needed to do was replace the diverter valve, which, like I said, after doing the research, they say as soon as you tune these cars, it just goes. That wouldn't be the worst thing if it was warranted to take off all this crap, all this stuff to access it. And to replace these diverter valves is probably one of the easiest things to do in this car and does not require any of this stuff to be removed. Check out this heat shield right here. The diverter valve sits literally in here, and all you'd have to do was pop a few screws out, lower this thing, and the diverter valve is right there to be changed for both sides. I'll be honest, I don't even know if I'm gonna tackle it tonight. Stay tuned to the next video where I'll show you guys how to do way more than you need to install a simple piece. And I hope everybody learned a valuable lesson today like I did, and it's just sit the fuck down for a second and do some fucking research so you don't end up running in place, essentially, or running backwards, going in the wrong direction just because you want to run. Let me get up out of here. Knife from slow speed. Peace.